Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Tap on power off. Okay, just tap to power off to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off, and now press and hold volume up and power key together for a few seconds. And now release. Okay, so you can see now volume rocker is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. So you can see, okay, so you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu. Just select back to main menu and reboot system now, and you can see reboot to system. Select reboot to system, and after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi Note 10T 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.